With the advent of the GPT-4, here are 20 jobs to be replaced by this AI technology that just came out yesterday. The first on the list is data entry, and the key thing to be replaced by GPT-4 is speed and accuracy. So the first one is data entry, and what to be replaced is speed and accuracy. If you find yourself in data entry, try to see how you can bring in different kind of skills, because the AI tool can do data entry with great speed and accuracy. All right, so the second one is customer service representative. So what is going to be replaced is communication and empathy. The latest GPT is expected to communicate even very nicely with customers and provide reasonable answers, maybe to reviews, to questions, to inquiries. You can provide excellent reviews and very fast with good communication skills and good empathy. The third one is proofreader. So if you have proofreader, you pay attention to detail, you read articles to correct them, you correct spellings and grammar, then you should start getting ready that GPT-4 might actually take up your role. Okay, so you might not be able to see quite a lot of market nowadays with the recent advancement in the AI world. So number 4 is translator. If you are a translator, you translate from English to other language or from other languages to English, just start getting ready, because the GPT-4 can translate even faster and even much more accurate than the normal translators, even better than some Google translators. The fifth one is paralegal. Now, paralegal is someone who prepares documents, who arrange data and documents for a lawyer. That particular job is repetitive and can easily be replaced by GPT-4. And the key thing here is research and organization. To do research on a given case and organize the data and documents required for legal review or for court case, or for lawyers to act on and to take them to court and conduct different kind of legal things. This job also might likely go because of the advent of GPT-4. Next is bookkeeper. If you are a bookkeeper, which means your expertise is on mathematical skills, balancing of sheets, trying to see how you can play with numbers, GPT-4 can do a lot in terms of bookkeeping. It can even arrange numbers and reconcile numbers, and mathematically you will not have issues with the GPT. The machine can do it better and faster. So start getting ready if you are a bookkeeper. Next is a copywriter, where we talk about creativity and writing in general. So writing in any form could be replaced, from writing journals to writing articles and even books. All these blog posts, all these can be replaced completely by the GPT-4. It can do much better and even faster with even greater accuracy and no grammatical errors, no spelling mistakes or thereabout. Number 8 is market research analyst. Analytical skills. Analytical skills, definitely you can see is visible, is there in GPT-4. Everything you can analyze, even a link that you attach to it without it even visiting that link. You can analyze the data, or you copy a section of a data or a section of a research output or finding, you just paste it and it can give you complete analysis, can analyze everything, and it can do market research as well. For any product, you can do the market research and provide latest information on what is happening in the available market and how you can make sales. When I is social media manager, so if you are a content creator or a curator, then you should start getting ready, because a lot of these things can now be replaced. Nowadays, you don't even need cameras to shoot videos, physical videos, because a lot of avatars are there to mimic or translate text to speech, or do speech to text, or even do video editing. Everything can be done now with the latest advancement in AI. So if you are into this, you should start getting ready to advance yourself, to update your skills. If not, you'll find yourself jobless very soon. Number 10 is appointment scheduler. If you are an appointment scheduler, you deal with boss and you try to manage appointments, daily schedules, daily task accomplishments, and time management in general. Machines can do that, and they can keep it as accurate as possible, and they can remind the person in charge at any given point. They are so fast, so accurate, and so correct. Yes, and they can make it better. So if you are an appointment scheduler, start getting ready to improve yourself, to update your skills, else you'll find GPT-4 replacing your own expertise. Number 11 is a telemarketer, and what this does is persuasion and communication. It deals with customers directly in terms of marketing and trying to sell a product or advertise a product, describing its features and details and qualities. All these can be done in a much better, more accurate and more sophisticated way by GPT-4. So if you are into telemarketing, start getting ready to upscale your skill set or be replaced by GPT-4. Next is virtual assistant, which does multitasking and organization of things, dealing with different kind of customers across the globe virtually. You don't have to be in an office, you don't have to be anywhere, but you can assist with different kind of digital things. If you are one of such people, start getting ready, because the GPT-4 can do quite a lot and can probably replace you in terms of all these digital things. Transcriptionist, listening and typing skills. These also can be replaced, because nowadays we have sophisticated software and websites that can do transcriptions very fast and with greater accuracy and at a very cheap rate. Yeah, I didn't talk about the charges. At the cheapest rate, you can get transcriptions very fast, very correct, and at the cheapest rate. Number 14 is news reporter. If you are a news reporter that does fact checking and writing and maybe delivering or conducting a reporting of different kind of events or series of happenings, then you should start getting ready, because the machine can speak better, can coordinate things better, and can do fact checking, even refer and connect with historical events and happenings around the globe as it concerns that particular scenario or event that you are reporting. Number 15 is travel agent. The planning and the coordination of the travel agent can be easily replaced with GPT-4, because it has all the information. All it's needed is data, and all it's needed to collect is data, and you can process and give data back or give information back. All this can be done with GPT-4. So if you are a travel agent, your planning and coordination can easily be taken over and be replaced and be provided at the fastest and the cheapest rate. Next is a tutor. If you are a tutor, you have knowledge and you have teaching skills, start getting ready, because some of the things you know, some of the things you teach can now be taught by robots, okay, in a very professional way even, and the language is there. In fact, it has even much more advantage, because it can analyze a huge number of data. For example, the GPT-4 can analyze up to 25,000 words at a given time, and it can refer to historical event, historical data, and can do a bunch of calculations, and even can write coding and many more things faster than you think, and more accurate and even cheaper than you think. Next is technical support analyst. If you're a technical support analyst, then you should know that what you do is basically troubleshooting and problem solving. All this can be done in terms of troubleshooting what's happening. For example, once the thing that you're doing has to do with technical thing or digital thing, computer is running slow, or computer is having problem, or you write a code and you're having technical issues, GPT-4 can help you to analyze all that and fish out where exactly the problem is and how to solve it, and can help you solve it and even rewrite the code at some point where needed. Number 18 is email marketer, email writing and targeting. So the writing of the email and targeting can be done by the machine, and in a very sophisticated way. I think recently I made a video about how we can use the ChatGPT to write email to your employer who has reportedly sacked you from your work, or you've missed something from your work, you want to write an apology email. You can write with ChatGPT-4, and it's going to give you that empathy, that compassion that you need, and it's going to write it professionally to respond to emails from your bosses or thereabout. So if you're an email marketer, start getting ready to upscale your skill set, or else you'll find yourself jobless very soon. 19 is content moderator, who does critical thinking and judgment. If you are into this, start getting ready, or you start upscaling your skill set. And the last one is a recruiter. The interview and the assessment can be done strictly online without seeing anybody. The machine can do all that. It can ask questions, it can process the answers, whether they are right or wrong, and it can give you assessment, it can provide results, and it can do it faster, it can do it more accurately, and it can do it at the cheapest rate. So these are my top 20 selected jobs that I think if you are into them, you should start looking into upscaling your skill sets to stay relevant, to stay up to date, and try to see how you can work with the machine to enhance it or to make it better. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this moment. Thanks for watching, and please remember to give it a thumbs up. That means a lot to me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.